You guys, here's LingoJet, and today we're gonna talk about almost the whole vocabularies about transportation in French. Before we get started, don't forget to just go down there and hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification on. So, let's go! Did you know that the definition of the several words in French are too close to their English form? For example, the word boss in French is bus. 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 Très bien, great. Bus. Boss, bus. Boss, bus. Okay. Next word. Do you know the definition of word ferry? Ferry. Ferry in French means back. 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 Back means ferry in French. Back. Great. Next word. Same as boss. You don't want to just say train in French. You can say train. 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 Same as spelling, but different pronunciation. Train. Great. Next word. I want to say taxi in French. It's taxi. Taxi. Taxi means taxi in English. They're same. Taxi and taxi. Right? Okay. Next word. I want to say airplane. Airplane in French. You can say avion. 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 Repeat after me. Avion. Avion means airplane, aircraft, plane. Okay? Avion. Avion. The sounds come from nose. Avion. Avion. On. Okay? Great. Okay, next word. The definition of word flight in French is vol. 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 You just threw away the word from your mouth. Vol. Vol. Okay? Vol. Très bien. Great. Vol means flight. Next word. Airline ticket in French is billet d'avion. Billet d'avion. Billet d'avion means airline ticket. Billet d'avion. Billet means ticket. Billet d'avion. Right? Okay. Next word. Boarding gates, for example, in some airports, it's porte d'embarquement. Okay, it's not so complicated. Listen, just listen. Porte d'embarquement. Porte d'embarquement. Porte d'embarquement. Porte d'embarquement. Porte d'embarquement. Yeah, great. Porte d'embarquement. Porte d'embarquement. Porte d'embarquement means boarding gates. Porte d'embarquement. Porte d'embarquement. Great. Next word. I want to say border crossing. Border crossing in French means poston frontière. Poston frontière. Poston frontière. Poston frontière means border crossing. Poston frontière. Awesome. Très bien. Great. So next word. The definition of word baggage or luggage or bag in French is bagage. Bagage means baggage or luggage in English. Bagage. Bagage. Right? Great. Bagage. Très bien. Okay. And just enter to the airplane. You can just see some separations there. As you can see, first class or economic class or business class. These times is French is, for example, first class is première classe. première classe. Première classe means first class in English. Première classe. Première classe. Première classe. Première classe. Great. Première classe means first class. And next one. Business class in French is, can you just suppose? No, it's not business class. No, it's not. It's classe affaire. Classe affaire. Classe affaire means business class. Très bien. Classe affaire. And the last one. Economic class in French is classe économique. Classe économique. Not class economic. Classe économique. Classe économique means economic class. Okay, great. One-way travel, one-way journey in French is aller simple. So, one-way trip is aller simple. Aller, not aller. Aller simple, not simple. Aller simple. Aller simple. Aller simple means one-way trip. And return in French is aller-retour. Aller-retour. So you had aller simple, and here you have aller-retour. Aller-retour means return. Some trips that have return, not just one way. Right? Aller-retour. Great. Next one. You want to say arrival. As you know, in English, you have two forms. Arrival and departure. For example, when you want to just enter to airport, you can see some flights that are arrival and another one that are departure. So arrival is arrivée. Arrivée. Arrivée means arrival. And departure means départ. 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 Not départ. No. Départ. You should not just pronounce T. Départ. Départ means departure. And arrival means arrivée. Awesome. Great. Très bien. Next word. Airport in French is aéroport. 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 Aéroport means airport. Not airplane. Airport. Aéroport. Right? Aéroport means airport in English. Next word. Bus stop. Bus stop in French is arrêt de bus. Arrêt de bus. Arrêt de bus. Okay? You learned bus before. Okay? Arrêt de bus means bus stop. Arrêt de bus. Arrêt de bus. Très bien. Great. Yes, that's it. Arrêt de bus. Next word is subway. Subway in French is passage souterrain. Passage souterrain. Passage souterrain. Passage souterrain means subway. Listen. Passage souterrain. En. Passage souterrain means subway. Très bien. Great. That's it. Passage souterrain. So next word. They want to say taxi stand, somewhere that some taxis are there and you can just enter the taxis. Is borne de taxi. Borne de taxi. Borne de taxi means taxi stand. Take a listen. Borne de taxi. Borne de taxi. Borne de taxi means taxi stand. Next word. Train station in French is gare. 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 Gare is train station in English. Gare, gare. And the last word is pier. Pier in French means jeter. Jeter, jeter. Jeter means pier. Okay, thank you for commenting, please subscribe and turn your post notification on. À bientôt.